Good morning, students. I am Champak Odhikari. I am delivering you the lecture about the cyclic codes. Before start of the cyclic code, you have to know the modulo operation. This modulo operation is very much important when you go for the calculation of cyclic code. Here we will start with modulo operation, that is, let's say modulo 5 operation. Modulo 5 operation, that means suppose you want to divide any number with 5, then what will be the remainder? Probably you all know that when we divide any number with 5, then remainder will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. We all know this, that is remainder of will be 0 to 5. Now at first we will take a simple addition. After that we will go for the same addition using modulo 5 addition. So modulo 5 addition, at first we will go for the addition part. That means you add this row with this each element of this column. So you will get 0 and 0 when you add, then output will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. That means 4 plus 0, that is 4. 3 plus 0, that is 3. Similarly, when you want to add some number with 1, then output will be something like that. That is 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 plus 2, that is 4. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Or 2 plus 4, that is 6, in this manner. And you will find the addition is like this, that is 4 plus 4, that is 8, 4 plus 3, that is 7. That is the general addition, we know it very well. But when we go for the modulo 5 addition, at that time you will see that is 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1, that is simple. But when this addition goes to 1 and 4, then actual addition will be 5, but in modulo addition that will be 0. That means you have to subtract 5 from that number. That means if it is modulo 5 addition, if number addition, that is result of addition, will be if 0 to 4, then there is no problem. If this addition result is 5, then you have to subtract 5, or you have to subtract the multiple of 5, so that your addition output will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. The addition of modulo 5 that does not go beyond 5, beyond 4, right? So when you add 3 and 3, then that will be 6. So addition of that will be 6 minus 5, that will be 1. If it is 4 plus 4, that means 8. In modulo 5 addition, there is no existence of 8, but in this position you will write 8 minus 5, that is 3. In this manner, we can make this table, that is the table for modulo 5 addition, right? Let us take another example. That is, if you add these two numbers, that is 5 plus 9, then output will be 14. It cannot be modulo 5 addition. So modulo 5 addition will be 14 minus 2 cross 5, that means 14 minus 10, that is 4. Similarly, if you want to add these two numbers, suppose 45 plus 30 is equal to 75. So 75, that is the actual addition, but in modulo 5 addition, that value will be 75 minus 5 into 15, that is equal to 75 minus 75, that is equal to 0. So output of modulo 5 addition will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 always. So when you want to make the modulo 8 addition, then output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because when you divide any number with 8, then remainder will be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. So this is modulo 5 addition. Similarly, we can go for the modulo 5 multiplication. Now, for multiplication, we can go in this manner. That is, you know, this is the multiplication sign and this is the multiplication. This row will be multiplied by each element of this column. So what will be the output? You know very well. Suppose 0 multiplied by anything will be 0. 1 multiplied by anything will be anything. That means if it is 0, then 0. It is 1, 1. This is 2, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Similarly, when you multiply with 2, then it will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Similarly, 3, that is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. And 4, that is 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. That means 4 cross 4, that is 16. 3 cross 3, that is 9, in this manner. But when we go for the modulo multiplication, modulo 5 multiplication, then output will be 0, will be same as this. This is same as this, because this will be the value which is less than 5. If this multiplication value is greater than equal to 5, then output will be subtracted 5, right? That means if it is 6, then that will be 6 minus 5. If it is 8, that means 8 minus 5. 4 cross 3, that is 12. That means 12 minus near multiple of 5, that is 10. That means you have to subtract 2 cross 5. Similarly, when we go for 4 and 4, that is 16, so nearly multiple of 5, that is 3 cross 5, that is 15. So you have to subtract 15 from 16, so as you can get the output of modulo 5 multiplication. So modulo 5 multiplication is same as this, that is 0, no problem, 1, 2, 3, 4, no problem. But if it is 3 cross 3, then output will be 9 for general addition, but in this case that will be 4. That means 9 minus 5. If it is 4 cross 3, then output will be 12, but in this case 12 minus 2 cross 5, that is 2. In this manner you can easily find out the modulo 5 multiplication, this modulo 5 multiplication, right? So why we go for this modulo 5 multiplication and modulo 5 addition? Actually we have to learn the modulo operation. This modulo operation is very much important for cyclic code, because when we go for the cyclic code, that means all are binary number. So binary number means we will go for the modulo 2 operation, because we have only two term in binary system, that is 0 and 1 for binary system. So when it is 0 and 1, only 2 digit, only 2 bits, then it will be modulo 2 operation. This modulo 2 operation is very much helpful. And what is modulo 2 operation? That means if the addition result greater than equal to 2, then you have to subtract 2 from addition. So if there are two variables, that means we have 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4 combinations can possible. What is that for combination? That is 4 combination is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. If you take the addition of this number, let's say this is A and this is B, and that is the modulo 2 operation, modulo 2 addition, then 0 0 when you add, that is 0, no problem. 0 1, that means actually we get this 0 1, that is 1. Similarly 1 0, that is also 1, but in this case that is 1 and 1, that will be 2, that will be 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 means in modulo operation 2 minus 2, that is 0. So modulo 2 operation 1 plus 1 will be 0. This output is same as XOR operation of A and B. You know it very well. That is XOR operation, that is A bar B plus AB bar. So A B, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, then output Y is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, that will be written as 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. You know this very well, that is the XOR operation, and this XOR operation output is same as modulo 2 addition. For this reason, always in case of addition we use the modulo 2 operation, that is modulo 2 addition. Now let us see modulo 2 multiplication. This is your modulo 2 multiplication, and when you go for the modulo 2 multiplication of binary number system, binary number system, the output cannot exceed 2, so there is no problem, and that is nothing but the AND operation. You know the AND operation, what is that? That is A and B input, A and B input, similarly output of AND gate, that is y is equal to A dot B, and 4 combinations are there, 0 1 1 0 1 1, and output will be 0 0 0 1. So this is the AND operation, that is same as modulo to multiplication, modulo 2 multiplication, right? Now see another important thing. Suppose in case of modulo 2 operation, there is no question of subtraction. There is no question of subtraction. Only modulo 2 operation is there. Let us see the addition. Let us see the subtraction. Suppose A and B, and that is Y. That is only difference. No question for borrow. No question for borrow. Only we will take the difference, because you know 2-bit subtractor circuit, you have difference and borrow. We will calculate only the difference part, not borrow part. This difference part is important for our calculation. Okay, so you know that is difference, that is A minus B. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So when this is 0 0, you take A minus B, that will be 0 0 1, A minus B will be 1, this is 1, and this is 0. That's also same as XOR operation of modulo 2 addition. XOR same as operation of modulo 2 operation. So in case of modulo 2 operation, subtraction and addition gives the same result. Subtraction is equal to addition for modulo 2 operation. Subtraction is equal to division, right? This class notes was given by me to you on 10th April 2020. Go through this. If you have any problem, then please tell me. Okay, thank you students. Stay safe, stay at home.